Your phone the other way, you'll get the whole shot.
Flash on inside.